Good night, everyone. Uh, Tonight I'm gonna talk about a chapter in the Gospel of Barnabas, chapter 17, titled "The Unbelief of the Christian and the Belief of the Mu'min." So, in this Gospel of Barnabas, there's two words: Christian and Mu'min. So, Christians, as you know, are group of people that believe Jesus is the Savior, or Jesus is the Son of God, and God is three in one, and what else? Every Christian who believe in Jesus will go to paradise, will be forgiven and will go to paradise. So maybe going to paradise for the belief of Jesus is one of the reasons why people convert to Islam, to Christian. You don't have to do anything, just believe, you go to paradise. So Christianity make it so easy to go to paradise. So these are the group of people we call Christians. In Jesus' time, there are also a group called Mu'min. The title of chapter 17, The Belief of the Mu'min. So from this chapter I read, Jesus is a Mu'min. So are his followers. Because it's mentioned in the chapter 17, a belief in God. At the in the chapter, Philip asked Jesus, "Who is God?" And Jesus answered in a paragraph, "Who is God?" So the people who believe the narrative by Jesus in this chapter, who is God, and Jesus explained, and the people who worship the God of Jesus are the Mu'min. And people who don't believe in this narrative are called the Christians. That's the reason why in that chapter 17, the unbelief of the Christians and the belief of the Mu'min. Yes, and the title of my talk tonight is "The Gospel of Barnabas is the holy book of the Mu'min." Yes, it will never be the holy book of the Christian, because the teaching in the Gospel of Barnabas is far, far away from what the Christian believe. Example, when the Christian says Jesus is the Son of God, and the reaction of Jesus is very, very angry and upset, and brought him sadness. In his sadness, then he dreamed or think of the prophet after him, Muhammad. So whenever he feel upset of people calling him son of God, he think of Muhammad. And in this Gospel of Barnabas, Muhammad name mentioned many times. I think more than 5 times Muhammad names were mentioned. Muhammad as a messenger of God after him, and he has high regard of the prophet after him, where he's happy that he will tell the people that Jesus is not the Son of God. Jesus was not crucified. Jesus had not died in crucifixion. Some other people were made to appear like him, and that was the person who was killed and crucified is mentioned in the holy book of Muslim, the Quran. So in fact, Gospel of Barnabas will also mention this thing that he was not crucified, and Judas Iscariot was crucified. Judas Iscariot was one of his 12 disciples, but Jesus Iscariot betrayed him and lead the Roman soldiers to the room where Jesus was. And at that time, the appearance of Iscariot, Judas Iscariot, was made to appear like Jesus. So when the Roman arrest somebody in the room, so arresting they were arresting Judas Iscariot, and Jesus was taken away from the room by angel. So he escaped, and of course her mother feel upset. So his the Muslim, his friend, the other 12 disciples were very upset, and actually they form a burial of not Jesus but Judas, and they bury Judas. The story was the body of Judas was taken from the cross, and they bury him, and they had thought that they had buried Jesus, not Judas. But then when they were in the room, Jesus appeared to them and told them everything will happen, that he was a real Jesus that appeared to them, and Jesus was telling that he was about to go to the heaven, and actually the witness, they were around when Jesus was taken to the heaven by the angel. It's like saying farewell to Jesus at that time. So that story of Jesus' mother and Jesus' disciples were sending farewell to Jesus was narrated in the Gospel of Barnabas. So it was interesting story and happy story as well that Jesus was not crucified but taken to heaven, and he said he will come back when the world is near ending. He will come back, and maybe that is the story of Jesus, of not die in the cross but live live saved by God and sent to heaven, stay for in heaven life. So he had not died yet. So he is living in heaven right now. Actually, when Prophet Muhammad went to heaven, he had met Jesus in the heaven alive. So Prophet Muhammad also met Moses and other prophets when he traveled to the heaven to meet God. So this story explained in the Gospel of Barnabas is something that Muslim already believe and know the story. We have learned this from religious school of the story, what is mentioned in the Gospel of Barnabas, and for that reason I say the Gospel of Barnabas is the holy book of the Muslim, not the holy book of the Christians. Of course, I see in the video produced by the Christian discourage the Christian to read the Gospel of Barnabas, saying that Gospel of Barnabas is not original gospel, it's a fake. It was translated from Italy, so cannot be original. So they say the original of Gospel of Barnabas was not written in Italian language, but I believe the Italian language was the original language of the Gospel of Barnabas, because at that time the Jesus, the Jerusalem in the area of Jerusalem, Bethlehem, in that area was governed by Rome. So Italy was the official language at that time. So when you want to write something for everybody to read, for the population to read. So Italy will be the best language as it is it was the official language, and maybe people know the language of Italy in writing, not just in speak, because the Roman who were governing the area were speaking in Italian language. So they say the Gospel of Barnabas cannot be original because it was translated from Italy. So I don't believe it. They have to know more history than what they had known. Okay, I think that's all I have to say on the on the on my video title that the Gospel of Barnabas is the holy book of the Muslim. In another reason why I say the Gospel of Barnabas is the holy book of Muslim, because I like reading the Gospel of Barnabas, kind of every day reading the Gospel of Barnabas, and I came across the a chapter when one of Jesus' disciples by name of Philip asked Jesus, "Who is God?" And Jesus explained who is God, the narrative of who is God in a chapter. And what I found the narrative is similar to one chapter in the Quran. The way Jesus explained is similar to the surah I found in the Quran. So that is another evidence that the Gospel of Barnabas is the holy book of the Muslim. Thank you very much for being with me. Salam.